Hello guys, today we're gonna be playing Don't Press the Button 4. Yeah, so I'm here with Maverick. Maverick, say hi! Hayden. Now everyone say your full name. Maverick Mario. Hayden Mario. Yeah. Make sure, go to our channel. Alright, yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, but all of us are playing Don't Press the Button 4. The fourth one, the quadruple. And yeah, and we're just gonna be, I don't know, we're playing it. I have nothing else to say. Hey, what team are you on? I'm on red. Oh my god, why? Demogorgon, because you know. No, what's that? It's October and the Demogorgon's scary. I am always a zombie because zombies are scary. He's a zombie every month, every year. He will never stop being a zombie. And I have nowhere to sit, so I just gotta stare at my statue. I figure that I can change my avatar to something else. Just say as a zombie. One day I'll probably make my zombie avatar a Hawkins. Like I changed my skin color to match the Demogorgon. I do wish that he had the Demogorgon's body. Look, some people don't have money, okay? Know that. Oh, okay. A giant volcano! 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 Whoa! Whoa! Now, did you really die? No real person says this is bananas, Maverick. This is bananas! This is so bananas! Hello guys, my name's Target and I'm going to be dodging rocks while on a raft! Oh my god, my throat. What raft? What raft? What do you mean what raft? We're on a raft! Do you not see the raft? Wait, hold up, where even are you? Matt, where even are you? We're supposed to be on a raft! Whoa. Matt, we're supposed to be on a raft. Matt, you're supposed to be on a raft. Dude, wait! Why is everyone? Hold up! Oh my god, I'm getting nervous. Alright, I'm officially back in the game. The 7th time. Watch out, hello has a sword. Who's hello? Hello! Don't fall in the lava. Oh god, no! No, it's gonna be that way. One bridge is safe. The middle bridge. That's cool, but the middle bridge is safe. This is so. Dude, how did someone win already? Oh, they probably used the freaking carpet, did they? Wait, it's middle twice? Cool.
No, they probably used the flying damn thing.
Yeah, that's what I said. The flying carpet, right? Wait, which one is it? Which one is it, people? Go! I don't want to lose all my Hurry before time runs out. I win! What the heck? Dude, someone just killed me when I made it to the end. No, I still win. I still win. Now I gotta find a button. Someone found the button. Finn found the button. Avoid getting infected. Okay. Calm the building, people. No one's gonna find us here. No. Hey, you're infected? No, I'm not. How am I infected? What the heck? Who infected me? Did I get infected? I mean, wait. No, what the heck? I need to infect people.
I'm the only one that's not infected.
Matt, where are you? Matt, where are you? Where are you? Oh my God!
Over here now?
Oh, okay. They coming to the end of the game. Survive the falling pad. Dude, I don't know where they're gonna fall. Oh, wait, I see them falling. Why does it look like they're disappearing? Instead of, falling normally. Rings, okay. Whee! No. Get that. Oh, I didn't catch any. I got 3. This is garbage. I got 4. Get it. Go. Okay, nice. No. I got 6. Get out of the way. Oh, we're missing stuff. I got 6. I got 7. Idiots. I got 9. I got 9 too. I got 11. Alright, who got the most rings? Oh, dang it! One went off! Could have got 13 if I didn't make a mistake. Huh?
Oh yeah, I used the right server.
Whoa. How am I losing health? Oh, I'll probably touch this hot stove. Well, this is a grill. Hold up, I'm not lagging. Oh my God! Dude, what the? Wait, you're still on the grill? Hold up, never. I got disconnected. Wait, man, you're not even in the server. Hey, never server. I just don't know this one, right? Get over it. Like checking if you were in the game. What the? I'm frozen. Bite on my ears. Whoa. Hold up, maps are facing sorry, enough lightning. Wow! Oh, come on! Ah! Oh, avoid, click the balls. Hit the balls so they won't get into the goal and kill us probably. Hit the balls. Ah, no! Hit it! Click it! Okay, click it! Hit the balls! Ah! Click it. Click it. Click. That's an interesting story. The balls will stop. That's amazing. What? Oh, I love this one. Wait, no, wrong way. What is that purple orb? What is that purple orb? And why is it there? That's interesting. Stop freezing me! Melt me! Lasers? Let me out! Still one, idiot. Who shot me? Who shot me? Yeah, rich man. What the? Oh wait, what am I supposed to reach? Okay. Jump it! Jump! This is very peaceful music in a stressful situation. What happened? No! Oh my god. Oh my god, only one bird to save. Made it work last time. Watch out from the mummy. Mummy man. Oh my god, I'm lagging. Please don't disconnect me. I like this one. I'm gonna get killed while I'm lagging. Well, surely he won't find me in his home, right? Well, he can't find me at all because I don't exist. No! I got no! Wait, what is this? Wait, I've been missing stuff. What is it? I've been paying attention to a mirror. Did I die? Why was I paying attention to your phone instead of to my own screen? Why was I paying attention to your phone instead of your own screen?
He's in the event. Is that exciting?
Wait, what did that drink do? Was I poisoned? I'm lagging. I'm just gonna accept my fate and get disconnected. Please check your internet connection. Which there's nothing wrong with it. Hey, look, a golden wingman. Oh, it's a 6th annual block seal. Giant volcano. This is the safe spot, people. This is the safe spot. This entire ring with logs, fences, mushrooms, more logs, round. What the heck just happened?
Knowledge.
When you go to college, you're going to get knowledge. Is that crazy, man? Is that shocking? Is that shocking? No! What the? Oh my god, this person has super speed. What?
What happened?
It's kind of unfair. This person has super speed.
What happened? Dude, it fell on the map.
But we win, so that's fine. Blue team! Boom! Oh, jump! Cool. Being the first one to grab the same have to be out the bed. Okay. Hurry up. Find a dark blue cylinder. I found a dark blue cylinder. No! Find a science. Where, Maverick? Find a science. I just got knocked out of the map! Dude, I just got knocked out of the map and I gotta find something again. Alright, nice. Dude, I died! There, find a lime green cone. Dude, I freaking died. Dude, find a lime green cone.
I found it.
Dude, find a bright... I can't believe it.
No, because like, no, I was already in it. It's not freaking killing
Oh,
me.
this one's fun.
I don't like this one. I like this one. I can't even see where I am.
I can. Where's the fires?
Oh, wait, I'm controlling it. Wait, you're controlling it? Oh, God.
Guys, this one again.
Look at that.
Guys, stand on the opposite side. You never lose. See, look.
Okay, you suck.
Yeah, see, look.
And when are you gonna die?
Wait, we're going two to the left, and then the other person is just flying. No. Well.
Wait, go ahead and taser!
Alright. Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. Like and subscribe and hit the subscription bell. And share this to your friends. And bye-bye. Wait, let me click the most.
No, what am I doing?
Wait, click the button the most times. Okay.
No, stop! Cheater? Wait, I got 40! I got 60! Oh, you have to be kidding! That's because you... Baby, stop clicking the button!
Well, anyway, this is the end of the video. Bye-bye. Wait, guys, scream into the speaker. Ah!